Hi everyone, I'm Priyanshi Jalan and today I'm gonna talk about my first ever shoot with DreamLens and 12:7 Salon and Spa. A Tale of Two Girls is a lifestyle and a fashion blog. We started it at a very low key, posting things about what we think is stylish, what we think our followers would like to have, and what we thought can make our followers actually keeping it stylish, classic, yet chic. So today I have created many looks of mine and I'm trying to create as many different looks as possible so that my followers get an idea of how they can keep themselves updated and also what can suit each and everyone. I believe fashion is for everyone, whether you are a lady of 40 years or whether you are a young girl of 14 years. It just starts from within. All my shoot you will be seeing me wearing different kind of clothes from different brands and different kind of looks. That's what I want to promote, because differentiation and more variety is what fashion is. You can't just say Prince can't go with Prince, because that's a rule and fashion has no rules. You have to say how you can make Prince with Prince fashionable. So in the shoot I'll be wearing mostly my favorite brands, and of course Sneha Lochan stands as the best designer for me in Siliguri. In fact, not just in Siliguri, everywhere, and I'll be wearing her looks, and it's like mandatory to have her look on my page, A Tale of Two Girls. So here I am with Rahul Sinha sir and the whole team of DreamLens, and they have made it so much easier for me. Clothes can't just do everything. You need to feel it from within, and I think skin is the first thing anyone notices about you after your clothes. So it's very important as a blogger and as a girl, and not just as a girl. In fact, every boy, every girl, every person should take care of the things they are born with, because it's not the features that you can change, but of course taking care of them is in your hands. So I just want all my followers to always take care of yourself, stay up to date, and never at all feel that taking care of yourselves is self-obsession. This is my first look from Sneha Lochan Couture, and I'm wearing her gown, and it's one of my favorite pieces with the cape sleeves, and I'll be coming up with more products. So I'm just getting a bit late for the shoot, so bye bye. I'll just say that it's keep continuing doing what you like, because your passion will ultimately lead you to your journey and your destination. That's what happened with me, that's what happened with Rahul sir, and that's what happened with the entire team of DreamLens and 12:7 Salon and Spa. They all did what they are passionate about, and that's what passionate people came together, and we are working today together in this shoot. So here guys, I'm back again, and this was one of my look for the shoot with DreamLens and 12:7. So as I started my shoot, of course, being not from a model background, I was pretty nervous because I just didn't know how to behave in front of a camera. And all thanks to Rahul sir and the entire team of DreamLens for being so patient with me, because it felt like I'm not in front of the camera, but it was a very fun thing that I was doing. I still remember he gave me certain tips how to be very cool in front of the camera, and I'm gonna share it with you right now. Just take a huge deep breathe very deeply before shooting, and also just calm yourself down and loosen yourself up, and then you are just ready to do whatever you want to do in front of the camera. So right now also, before giving this interview, I had taken a lot of deep breaths, and of course I loosened myself up, and that's why you might see my being so free in front of you. But trust me, this is not who I am. All thanks to Rahul sir. And the shoot went on very smoothly. Of course, there were certain hindrances like the weather and too much sunlight. Sun-kissed is something that we all love, but of course the camera doesn't love sun-kissed, and that's why we had certain issues. But all thanks to the creative minds of DreamLens, we had certain angles behind the trees and everything, and we managed to have many looks in an entire day with so much of makeup and so many changes. Yet all the members and all the crew members were very patient with me, of course, because I was taking a lot of time to get ready even then. And overall, the entire day was one of the best days so far, because I felt like a model that day. I felt like a blogger, and I actually felt that A Tale of Two Girls meant something to me, and also it meant something to all my followers and the people who keep updating me, keep liking my post and sharing them. I felt really overwhelmed because of the love that I received during the shoot. I remember my mobile was with my friends, and all the messages that were coming up: who's your makeup artist, who's doing a shoot for you, really nice dress. And I loved the response that I got, and it just motivated me to keep continuing what I'm doing. And definitely I'll continue doing this because I love to spread fashion. I believe that people from every walks of life, whether they are behind the camera, in front of the camera, no one should go or step outside their home without being satisfied with themselves. And fashion is something that makes them look satisfied, and also the confidence to face the world. If you are fashionable, you will have the different confidence to treat people and face people. That's what we want. That's what I as a blogger want, to want each and every one of you to be just confident. So subscribe to DreamLens TV and keep getting more updates on different things, about different passion, about different people. And I'm lucky enough to be a part of DreamLens TV as a blogger, as a fashion blogger from A Tale of Two Girls. So I had a really lovely day, and thanks for watching. Thank you.